everybody. We are three Chinese. And then today, I would like to introduce you. I should like to share with you a business idea that is related to a very hot and significant problem. That's our environment. And I will give you some statistics, outstanding statistics about our environment. And if you know that every day there are 16,000 tons of solid waste released all around our countries. And it's only about the solid waste. In fact, we have three kinds of waste. We have solid waste, water waste, and gas waste. And I mean the whole amount of the waste must be more. And however, only 60% of them are collected and treated. How about the 40% left over? I mean, they are gradually damaged and destroy our environment. And that's why our business proposal is we want to open an environment enterprise with the scope of consulting, designing, and building a waste management system. And we hope that we can help the enterprise to solve the problem with the waste and protect our environment. And now I will give you some information about our company. We are 3Z Waste Disposal with the slogan, "Dispose your waste and marry your future." Okay? And we will give the company structure. We focus on the company overview. Our mission is to protect the industrial factory surrounding the environment, and in the far future, we hope that we will be the first research-oriented company in the waste treatment in Vietnam. And our core business is to provide the optimal disposal system in order to reduce the customer operating cost. And my friend will move deeply to our literature review, give you some information about some concepts.
Yes, thank you for the introduction of Mr. Phu. And I will help you to have some basic knowledge about the waste treatment system. According to our research, then we have three types of waste, which is wastewater, solid waste, and air discharge. Based on the physical and chemical characteristics of the waste, then wastewater treatment have three methods. The first one is physical treatment, the second one is chemical treatment, and the third one is biological treatment. For solid waste treatment, then we have landfill, which refers to bury the waste. Incineration refers to burn the waste. Composting and bibliography refer to classify the waste. For air discharge treatment, we have three methods. The first one is reduce at source, second one is removal by using technology, and the last one is containment. Based on the division, we give out our core business, including our core service, which is we focus mainly on consultancy, the wastewater treatment and air discharge treatment. For the solid one, we still give a consultancy, but we do not encourage our customer to build up it. The second one is, that we can get from the theory is that we identify our working process, including 4 steps. The first one is collecting data. The second one is designing, drawing. The third one is constructing, and the last one is warranty. And it will be described more detail in the next part, my friends. And the last one, that the theory of factor is that it gives us the orientation for our R&D. When we think about R&D, we may think about inventing some new treatment. However, we would like to focus on creating more opportunity cost on our existing treatment, because it will create our competitive advantages when we can reduce the operating cost of the system. And next, Ms. Nhi will help you understand more about our strength, our weakness, our opportunity, and our threat.
Thank you, Nga. Hello, my name is Harry. I'm very excited to be your guide to help you to understand more about 3G company qualifications and its industry. So, using SWOT analysis. But first of all, let me ask you a question. As an investor, what do you expect most when you hear an entrepreneurship business idea?
Actually, when I hear entrepreneurship business, I care much about the business and how payback period I get when I invest to your company and the budget you need to open it.
Thank you for your detailed answer. That's exactly what we've been asking when we doing on this project. It's profits. What do investor get investing in 3G? So we, based on our strength of a very talented R&D team and unique financial policies, we are very confident in inventing our own technology on a waste treatment management system. Also, we also know our weaknesses, and is that we lack of financial edge on pursuing the most updated technology and management system. So that's why we come to a solution that we would hire and buy intellectual property from developed country in the US and European firms. Okay. Thirdly, we also know that there are threats inside and threats outside. But we believe that the unique financial services would reduce our competitors from among other trendy competitors in the industry. Fourthly, how do we deal with the external threat? We believe that a flexible financial service would attract our customer more. So, it is very essential for a newcomer to understand deeply about itself, also the industry. So using Porter 544 model, we have come to a conclusion that the waste management system in Vietnam is a highly profited industry with intense rivalry. So we would come more deeply in detail in the working process with Ms. Fu.
Thank you, Ms. Thảo Yin, for that. So my name is Min Fu, and let me continue to introduce you about the process of our service. As Ms. Nga has said, that there are 4 main steps in our process, which are first, it is collecting the data. Second, it is like designing the technical drawings. Third is constructing the system, and finally, we will operating and warranty for the system. So let's get into the detail. In the first step, that we will start to collect the very important data such as the factory size. In our target customer, we will continue to focus on the medium to small business and factory as well. And next, we will continue to find the type of waste and as well, and also to the characteristic of the waste also. And as my friend also said, that there are only 2 main waste that we focus on is the air and the water that we have been working on with it. And next we will continue to, again please, back please. Can you move back a little bit? Okay, thank you. We will continue to calculate some technical calculations, and of course, we will continue to calculate the fees in order to make the customers okay, alright with that. So in the next step, please. Thank you. We will provide the technical drawing, which comprise the requirements of the machine in the system, and also the expected system in details, and some instruction from the engineer to the workers in order to work well. Okay. In the next 2 steps, our very experienced worker will start to construct the system, and after 5 or 6 months of constructing, we will have a complete process of the system, and we will guarantee to our customer that they will have 5 to 10 years of guarantees of the system in order to work well and operate well. And if you wonder that if we are only a new company, that we cannot maintain a new new machine in the system, so here's the answers. Because of course that we are new to the market, so we have to cooperate with some factory to produce the machine in the system. So next, next Miss Ngọc will continue with the financial service of our company too.
So I'm here to introduce you some financial policy that our company will provide for the firms to support them to access the process of installing the waste disposal installed. First, we will have discount for the firms that pay the whole amount of money all at once. And second, we will have the installment payment with low interest for the firm that could not be afford to pay the whole big amount of money. And also, we will try to cooperate with some organization in the city so that we can create a fund to help the firms. We hope that this fund would not only beneficial for our customer, but also any firm that have problem with the waste disposal system can have some advice. Our financial strategy that in the short term, like in the first year of the company, we will focus on the core business to gain the profitability, the profit, gain the reputation, so that in the long term, later that we could have the ability to create a financial firm of our own, so that we could fully support our customer to help them have a good price and with good quality of product. And now Mr. Long of Europe will going to talk to you about the R&D part.
Hello everyone, my name is Long. Research and development. Okay, R&D is the most. This is the reason why we are so proud of business. We are young, but we aim to develop the R&D. There are 3 stages of our R&D innovation. Of first, 15 years ahead. In the first 5 years, we will send our most talented workers to observe the magical technology in the other countries. And then 5 years later, they will come back to develop the wastewater management system. And in the second stage, from 2018 to 2023, the new solid treatment will be designed and tested. And in the third stage, we will confidently to develop our own inclusive solid waste management system to cut the cost. It is cheap, modern, and suitable for our domestic firm. So we move to the next part, initial investment. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Yeah. After researching and calculating, we are coming up with over 30 billion Vietnam dong to start our business, including R&D investment, human resources, promotion, and supporting fund. So, to sum up, with the potential and dynamic strategy, it is your turn now to decide whether you should divorce your ways, marry your future. Thank you for your listening. Thank you.